think you are doing lat pull down correctly, but in reality, most people are not using their lats at all, and they keep wondering why their back is not getting wider. Today, I will show you the right way so your lats finally activate and grow. First, let's talk about the mistakes almost everyone makes. The first mistake is leaning too far back like you are trying to pull a boat. This takes tension away from the lats. The second mistake is pulling with your arms first, which turns the movement into a bicep workout. The third mistake is shrugging your shoulders up, which pulls the tension into the traps. And the last mistake is pulling the bar behind the neck, which only stresses the shoulders. Now, here's the truth. The lat pull down does not start with the bar. It starts with your back. Think of your lats like wings. They must open before they pull. So before you even bend your elbows, you need to pull your shoulders down. This one move will change everything. Let us set up the correct form. Sit down, lock your knees lightly under the pad, and keep your chest tall. Hold the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Sit with a small backward angle, but keep your torso steady like a statue. Now, the real magic happens. Before you pull the bar down, pull your shoulders down toward your pockets. You will feel your lats switch on instantly. After that, bring your elbows down and imagine you are sliding them into your back pockets. Bring the bar to your upper chest and pause for a moment to feel the squeeze. Then, let the bar go up slowly while keeping your shoulders down. When you use the wrong form, the movement shifts into the arms and traps and the lats stay quiet. But with the right form, your back feels wide, powerful, and controlled. Your elbows move down, your chest stays tall, and the lats stay active throughout the motion. Once you get the basic form, here are a few advanced tips. Add a slight lean at the bottom to match your natural path, use a slow 3-second return to build more tension, and stop just before your shoulders fully rise so your lats stay under stress the whole time. Here's a quick recap. Sit steady, grip slightly wide, shoulders down first, elbows to pockets, bar to upper chest, slow return, full tension throughout. Now, your challenge is simple. Do 10 perfect lat pull-down reps with full control and feel how different your back becomes when you truly use your lats. Keep training, keep learning, and your back will grow wider and stronger every week.